I'm convinced that anyone can learn Arabic because of the simple principles that Shababik applies. And so you're learning the words and the culture behind the words at the same time, which is the difference between studying Arabic in a lecture hall versus having an experiential aspect. I'm coming up on 1,500 hours since starting at phase 1, beginning of phase 1 into phase 5. And so Shababik takes you on a really incredible journey. So not only are you learning to speak like an Arab, but you're learning to understand, process, and think like an Arab as well. That has definitely brought me joy. Seeing the progress of, very simply, I used to not know how to speak Arabic, and now I know how to speak Arabic. And ultimately, they want to open their world to you. And if you let them, you'll see how beautiful the Arab world really is.